Okay, everybody, now we're gonna go ahead and go into our billing. I'm gonna explain to you how to set that up. So it's gonna be on our left-hand side, right under organization. So you actually do not need a credit card in order to sign up for Practice AI, so that's not necessary. And here we have the billing section. If you did want to add your card, it's very simple. Just click on this purple button right here. You would add the card information and go ahead and add that payment method. Even if you do add your credit card in, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to subscribe. If you did choose to, you would click on this subscribe now button. So here we have our subscription tier model. So we either have our pro tier model, which is going to be $9.79 per month as the base. Okay. Or we have our pay-as-you-go subscription model where it would be $29.99 per month and then $97 per demand, and that would come with a case summary. So here, if you'd like, you could always upgrade how much you would like. So for example, if we wanted to increase our intake leads, we could always add that simply by sliding the button up or down. If you wanted to purchase more case summaries, you absolutely could. Same with document collector, as well as demands. So let's say your firm does about 50 demands per month. You could keep this as is, and you would go ahead and confirm that and purchase it. So the good part about our system is that let's say you only wanted to add one more demand, you could definitely just add that one like this, put 11 in, and then as the month goes, you can add on as many more as you like. So once you subscribe, there are flexible options. You're not stuck. And if the next month you decide to go back to the original subscription model of $9.79, you would just change it back and you would not be charged for that. And that's how you set up the billing. Super straightforward, very simple.